In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Microsoft OneNote. Hyperlinks are a simple yet powerful way to connect your notes to websites, files, or even other pages within your notebook, making navigation faster and your notes more interactive. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page where you want to add a hyperlink. Make sure your notebook is fully loaded so all features are available. Once you're ready, highlight the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be a word, a phrase, or even a full sentence that represents the destination you want to link to. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and look for the link option. Click on it, and a small dialog box will appear. In this window, you'll see a field where you can enter or paste the web address, also known as a URL. Type or paste the link into this field, then click OK. Your selected text will now become a clickable hyperlink. If you want to link to another page within OneNote, you can do that as well. Right-click on the page you want to link to from the page list and select Copy Link to Page. Then return to your current page, highlight the text, open the link dialog again, and paste the copied link. This creates an internal shortcut that helps you jump between related notes quickly. You can also create hyperlinks to files stored on your computer. Simply follow the same process and browse for the file instead of entering a web address. This is especially useful when you want to connect your notes to documents, presentations, or other resources. Once your hyperlink is created, you can click on it to test if it works correctly. If you need to make changes, right-click the link and choose Edit Link to update the address or text. Keeping your links accurate ensures smooth navigation and prevents confusion later on. Using hyperlinks effectively can greatly improve how you organize and access this information in OneNote. It allows you to connect ideas, reference sources, and streamline your workflow without switching between multiple locations manually. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and use hyperlinks in OneNote, making your notes more connected and efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.